Hey everybody, it's Melanie and Jesse on Everything Long Island. We are here today in Roslyn Village. It is one of those places that you definitely want to go in the summer and hang out. Behind me, we have that beautiful pond. We've got homes and restaurants and shops that overlook the area. It's really quite gorgeous. So we're going to take you on a little tour of Roslyn Village, because Roslyn Village is one of those places where everybody wants to go. You've got dining outside, you've got dining inside, you've got high-end shops, and we've got all these great places that there's always something buzzing and going on. So let's take a look. Hey guys, so as you see, we're in Roslyn Village. There's a lot of really beautiful, beautiful restaurants. This one is Felice. It's one of these Italian restaurants. It overlooks the water. It's quite beautiful. If you come ahead, you're gonna see that they have some tables seating outside with a French bistro chairs. And this is just really wonderful, great restaurant, very high-end, very exclusive, and you see what they've done here. It's really quite beautiful. This is kind of what sets, Roslyn Village apart from other villages. You've got this little beautiful water area, and, over the years, it's kind of gotten more developed. When I first moved here in early 2000s, it wasn't as developed. East Hills Park came in the early 2000s, and kind of the area just kind of grew and grew and grew. So I have friends that bought their homes for like late 200,000, early 300, and their homes are worth at least 1.2, 1.3. And that's for lowest level neighborhood getting into East Hills today. So we're gonna take you, we're gonna show you more places, but take a look at this beauty. Another hot spot, and we're here with Jenny, who is making the homemade cones, which are insane, the waffle cones. There are only 2 locations on Long Island. This came from Manhattan. One is in the Roosevelt Field Mall, and where's the other? Roslyn Village. So, like they say, a life without anything good is bad, and that's true. So, this is one of those places that people come and they get to have the freshest of the fresh. You've got incredible flavors here, and it's just one of those hot spots in Roslyn that you would come on the weekend, weeknights, even in the winter it's busy. So this is one of those hot spots. Yum, yum, yum. Let's go to the next door. Hey guys, we're here at Papa Bagels. Papa Bagels originated, believe it or not, in Connecticut during COVID in someone's garage. I actually know one of the founders of Papa Bagels. It's one of those places you go in, you order 4 bagels, they're hot. They only have a very limited variety of choices, and then you get a cream cheese or a spread with it. So as you can see, it's very popular. You got a lot of people lined up in there, and this is one of those hot spots. So just to put things in context, it's about 11-ish on a Saturday in August, and this is kind of how it looks. Very bustling, a lot of people doing a lot of stuff, and this is kind of that hot place to be. So, Roslyn rules. So this is Jill Scherer. She has the most incredible pajamas. So many people love to come here in Roslyn Village. We've got even candles in here, just unique gifts. I've gotten sweaters in here, definitely not cheap, but what is? We're in Roslyn and we only have the best here. So this is really one of those hot spots. It's, you know, kind of between Pop-Up Bagels and some of the other shops, but definitely worth coming to. So we're here in front of Gatsby's Landing, right up the street. So we started Pop-Up Bagels, we went to Jill's, and now we're here at Gatsby's Landing. Great restaurant, great bar, homemade rolls that are to die for. You got water, dining, seating outside in the back. They have brunch, and it's just one of those great places. So if we pan across, you can see that the next store would be Delicacies. And then if we continue going around, you'll see that up the block, if we keep going, is the clock tower on the right. But we're gonna keep touring you around, so wait until you see what's next. Hey guys, across from Gatsby's Landing, you've got Roslyn Landing. Roslyn Landing is a community of townhomes with elevators. Really incredible. They're priced around $1.6, $1.8, something like that. They are totally done up. You have water views and you are in the village. So the walkability factor or rollability factor is incredible. It's beautiful. And this is just one of those places that popped up since moving here. I started real estate in 2008. Maybe these started being built in, I want to say 12, 13, 14. So 2012, 13, 14. And it's just one of those really incredible opportunities that someone got in buying the land. So this was really just marsh, because if you had looked, if we had an aerial, you'd see that the viaduct is behind the community. So it's really incredible in that it has the views of the water that surround it, and it's just really great. So it's gated, and it's a great place to be. Hey guys, so we're across the street from Sweet Harbor Coffee, which is one of those new hot coffee places. It's, you know, one of those scenes, everyone comes, they have special and unique coffees. It's also next to Transitions and more shops that people like to come to and shop at. There's also a new Greek yogurt, frozen yogurt place that's gonna be going in over there. And it's just, again, it's more shopping, more choices, more beauty in Roslyn. Hey guys, we're here now on Lumber Road, where you've got cute little shops, also metered parking where there aren't reserved spots for residents that live in the building. And you've got Great Shapes, which used to be on Willis Avenue, moved over here. You've got Spa and closed. But this is kind of interesting because, you know, it just shows you how much development has gone on in Roslyn. Opposite the rental building, you've got the Roslyn Grist Mill that's behind me. We saw the front of it. It was kind of near that coffee shop, and they're doing a whole renovation on it. It's a historic building, and it's just been, you know, from top to bottom, they're really gutting the whole thing and making it new again. So it's very interesting, all the stuff that's going on in Roslyn that you've got. Okay, so you just saw views of the viaduct. Basically, Roslyn Village sits beneath the viaduct. You can enter from before you go over the viaduct through the village, or at the end, you'd end up here in Harbor View Shops. So here you've got Kotobuki, you've got hair salons, you've got Besito, you've got a spa, Red Hot Spa. Organic Crush has been a staple here for a while. And you've even got a Quest Lab, which is kind of a big deal in such a little town, not to have to trek out of it. Used to be like a yogurt place, and, you know, things turn over, but the really great things stay a long time. under the viaduct. We are at Diane's Restaurant and Diane's Bakery. These are like major staples in Roslyn. They have the best pies, great lunch stuff, and it's so nice to sit outside. Come on, let's go around the back and take a look. So guys, we're in the back of Diane's. It's got two structures. So behind it, you've got this incredible kitchen where they're always doing stuff. The space between the two buildings got kind of connected. You used to be able to sit outside and it was just like uncovered and like a street. You used to be able to park back here. And now it's like this beautiful oasis. So you've got great tables, little intimate areas, and they utilize this for outdoor dining from the restaurant and the bakery. Really another beautiful view of Roslyn that you have of all it has to offer, of why people love it so much. Let's go inside and get a yummy treat. So in Roslyn, you've also got this great area under the viaduct where Diane's was. We're just behind that. And you've got Atria Senior Living, independent living, beautiful apartments you cannot even imagine, and actually decently priced. And you've got a sport time. So we've got a lot in the community, but it's, you know, kind of deeply entrenched inside the village, so it doesn't always seem obvious. It's not like out there. It's kind of hidden, like a hidden little gem. I think you figured out that we're Roslyn experts, so if you are thinking of purchasing in Roslyn, who do you think you should call? One guess. Let's see. Duh, Team Bona Fide, Jesse and Mel. So give us a call if you're thinking of looking, but we've got a little bit more left to show you. Across from Harbor View Shops, we're heading back to the village. You've got a Serena and Lily. So no, you do not have to be in the Hamptons to shop at Serena and Lily, which is awesome. You also have great antique stores. This one on the corner is amazing. I've been in there. They have some real treasures. And across the street, you've got the old firehouse, which turned into decor. They sell decor. So that place has great stuff. Been in there, bought some pillows, and I bought a screen. Fair prices and just amazing. So Roslyn has it all. You've got great shopping, great food, great proximity, walkability, beauty, hair salons, nail salons. You've got it all. You really can live in either a garden apartment for under $300,000 or a house that could be $12 million, literally on acres bordering Old Westbury. It's really up to you. So, like I said, if you're thinking about Roslyn on any level whatsoever, give us a call.